Welcome back. Hope everyone had a good weekend. The Celtics game went extremely well for us on Saturday night. Convert Bond was campaigning for Rondo for president. We'd be happy if he'd take over Speaker of the House. Actually, come to think about it, we'd be happy if anyone took over Speaker of the House. We're hoping to see the Celtics wrap up their 4-game sweep of Orlando tonight at 8:30. So have to check out the game tonight after our family home evening over here. We're excited to see the LA Lakers lose 1 to Phoenix as well. And we need LA as vulnerable as possible, as it looks like it'll be an LA/Boston final, even with the 1 loss to Phoenix. This is one call we'd love to be wrong about, so we'd rather see anyone but the Lakers win, especially the Celtics. Looks like the SALT conference was a massive success in Las Vegas. We're looking for several of the big players out there to get back to us this week to claim their spot on America's Favorite Traders. We'll announce who we have coming up on AFT after the interviews are in the books. On to today's market. We sent out a message on Twitter with a list of what we're picking up once we saw all of Friday's gains disappear. Get your pens ready and we'll get you that list in case you missed it. Here you go. BX, that's Blackstone. TRIT, TRIT, that's Tritech Holdings. Yong, YONG. IRE, Bank of Ireland. FTEK, that's Fuel Tech CSR, China Security. BBVA, that's Banco Bilbao Vizcaya Argentaria. FRX, Forest Labs. PAL, North American Palladium. TSRA, that's Tessera. ABT, Abbott Labs. And finally, MOS, that's Mosaic. We still have cash, so don't get crazy and start buying everything out there. We're still very tepid, and we don't plan on making any moves at all this week, regardless of what the trading action happens. We're taking a ton of calls that we sold in April for June, which are clearly not going to happen. We're going to be looking at buying those back and then selling closer to the money calls, or looking out to July if we can get the premium we need for the calls. Take a look at buying back cheap options that you sold earlier and reloading to collect premium in a range-bound market. One name that will continue to add to our under pressure is Weatherford. The company has a forward PE of 11.69, a PEG of 0.77. We think oil's bottomed, or at least near term, and that by the end of the summer we'll see oil back up in the 80s. This oil and gas equipment and services company is starting to get so cheap on valuation that it may start to look like a very attractive target for a larger company. It missed by 3 cents last quarter, and it looks like the next conference call will be in July. We'll be on that call and bring you the details. Until then, we'll be accumulating the stock here around the $14 level, and it's a good place to buy if you need more exposure in the oil/energy space. Thanks for tuning in today. We're excited to see if the Celtics can win in Game 4 tonight against Magic, who have been anything but Magic. Glad to see Cleveland getting serious and firing their coach, who just hasn't been able to deliver a title. But we'd still like to see LeBron somewhere else, like New York for starters. Have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow.